evening, everybody. We're here at Withall on a lovely spring evening, sunshine, and you'll see behind me is 486. You all know about 486. It's been a long saga, many years of restoration, a few hurdles to cross, and probably a couple of years over COVID, fine-tuning the details, mechanical, particularly engine, etc. The guys have been running the vehicle, put some miles on it, but tonight is its first loaded test run. We've got some friends of the museum here, some of our volunteers, and we're going to go out for a 90-minute run around the countryside to put some load on the vehicle and give it a damn good test. So what we'll do very quickly is have a chat with Rob Hanford. Rob was responsible for the managing the project of the restoration, and I think he's probably going to drive tonight. We'll find out. Okay, well, this is Rob Hanford. Rob, as I mentioned, was the project manager on this vehicle and has gone very grey since he started this project, I think. Rob, you're going to drive tonight. What does it feel like?
Well, it's quite exciting. It's a good evening. We've been and done some road tests with it already, which, you know, with light loads on. This is going to be a heavy load on tonight to run it through its paces. And I'm quite confident that we're going to have a good evening. And it's been performing really well, just with the run rounds we've done with it. And I think it's all in good fettle now after so many, you know, trials and tribulations, we'll put it that way.
Very much so, yeah. And hopefully we've got our big Queen's Jubilee weekend coming up. We might give somebody a surprise on one of those days and maybe run the bus, do you think?
Yes, we could possibly do that, yes.
Good. Well, anyway, folks, come along and see it. Rob's going to take us out now for a run round. We'll have a little bit of video on the way around. Come and see it. It's a wonderful piece of work, and yeah, we'll see you soon.
Oh, wow, look at that. I know. Oh, food festival. Thank you.